Hello, my name is Vishad Gohel 20EX20035. This is my assignment 3. So I have written this code in order to program my Arduino. So after writing this code, I compiled my code. So it compiled successfully. This showed that my code had no error. Later on, I wrote another code with loops in it, and I executed the loop 10 times for I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So it had time period of 2 seconds. So I generated a square wave with the help of this. So after all these things, my code was complete, and I changed the out value from out equals to 0 to out equals to 1, and then the loop executed another time. So it compiled successful. Later on, I downloaded the software Proteus, and I programmed an Arduino DH22 temperature sensor to stimulate the given conditions for different values of relative humidity and temperature. So I wrote this code that if h less than 25 and all, and after all these things, I simulated my I built my project, and it compiled successfully. It successfully compiled at the last. This showed that my code had no error. Later on I went to schematic diagram, and I simulated my program, and it started and clicked on virtual terminal. So it showed different relative humidity values for different temperature values, and I changed the temperature values from this breakout board that I had in the right corner of my system. So this way I changed the temperature values, and relative humidity values are changing. Later on, I did some programming in Arduino RGB common cathode LEDs, and changed the code like this, like digital write 13 high, delay 5 hertz for different values of T on and T off. And later on, I built my project, and it compiled successfully. So this showed that my code had it compiled successfully. So this showed that my code had no error in it, and then I connected this to D13, and later on I compiled my code, and then and I simulated my program, and then I started the digital oscilloscope in my computer, and then changed the voltage to 1 millivolt, and in the horizontal I changed it to 200, and I got the wave of time period 8.25 seconds as it was needed in the project. So this was my project. Thank you.